Is it a floating aid? Is it a paddle? Is it a kickboard? Yes, it's all three. Introducing the floater paddle, the 3-in-1 swimming device that makes swimming easier and so much more fun. Floater paddle's unique design makes it the ultimate device for floating, paddling, and kickboarding. Floater paddle widens the surface area of your forearm, which, like a flipper on a fish, increases your thrust and helps you to move through the water more efficiently. Use the floater paddle while performing your favorite swimming strokes, and you'll be amazed at how much faster you go. Floater paddle can also be used as a kickboard. Simply hold your arms out in front of you, kick your legs in the water, and you're off. Tired and don't want to swim anymore? That's no reason to get out of the water. Floater paddle triples as a floating device, so all you have to do is kick back, relax, and enjoy the water, while floater paddle does all the hard work. With 3 functions in one device, floater paddle makes the perfect addition to every swimming lesson, exercise and fitness routine, or rehabilitation program. Floater paddle is also a great tool for helping kids learn how to swim. The floater paddle transfers weight and buoyancy from your body to your arms, which makes it easier for kids to move around in the water. This ease of movement makes swimming more enjoyable, and the more kids enjoy swimming, the more time they want to spend in the water, working on becoming better swimmers. Plus, the floater paddle is a ton of fun. Both adults and children will enjoy their recreational time in the water more when using the floater paddle.
I love the floater paddle!
Floater paddle! Floater paddle! Yeah.
Versatile, easy to use, and fun. Floater paddle. Order online now.
See real-time swim data in open water with Form goggles. Get distance, heart rate, and pace. It's now time to train smarter, like Lionel.
Dang it, where's the nearest lake?
$1,000 people die every day in the world by drowning. We want to change these sad numbers and make history.
We're proud to introduce OneApp, the smart life collar and first fully automatic safety system for any activity in the water. Designed to keep you afloat even if you're unconscious, immobile, or have any other problem. Let's explain the 7 cases.
In order to get me unconscious, we called my cousin Little Joe.
OneApp is thinking all the time, monitoring what you're doing, and once it notices you're unconscious, it will inflate automatically before 5 seconds has passed. You can also injure your neck. But OneApp will know it and get you to the surface. Maybe you can't move for some reason, like getting caught in the rocks or being tied with ropes from the pirates, and you really don't want to wait for OneApp to activate automatically. Saved. You may have a panic attack that causes you to lose control of your body. You forget that you know how to swim. OneApp will also detect this situation before you black out and activate automatically. Epilepsy isn't the only reason people have seizures. OneApp will detect them too. Friends and relatives will stay much calmer in the pool or on the beach if a person they know with previous attacks is wearing OneApp. When you install the app for OneApp, we'll ask you to test your breath-holding capacity. It will inflate automatically in less than 3 seconds unless you press the panic button to cancel it. Of course, OneApp also has a panic button for manual activation, and you can use it whenever you want to feel safe. If a child is using OneApp, you can cancel the manual button in our app, because we don't want you to buy replacements every day.
Enjoy your favorite beverages this summer with the Pottery Barn Floating Drink Caddy. It conveniently attaches to the corner of our infinity float with a durable Velcro strap. The caddy holds 4 pool-safe tumblers and has a generous center compartment for a pool-safe pitcher, ice bucket, or snacks.
Me as soon as I need to add chemical. bulky towels. Our houses are filled with them. And have you ever tried packing a large towel for your trip? Forget about it. We use our towels every day, and yet we don't have the one that is perfect. Introducing Bemol, a multifunctional towel made from the finest Turkish cotton. Seriously durable and unbelievably compact, making it the only towel you ever need. It rolls up to the size of a small water bottle, so you can take it anywhere you want. At the same time, it's big enough to cover your whole body. Combining traditional craftsmanship with modern innovations to create a towel that can last for a long time. Use it for bath, take it swimming, pack it for your trip, use it on your yoga mat. Options are endless. Bemol air dries quickly, leaving you with a fresh, clean towel after every use. Made for the skin, Bemol can dry you up within a second. Designed in Vancouver and made in Turkey, we had quality and comfort in mind. With attention to small details, every aspect of Bemol is unique. From premium aglets to label designs, Bemol is like no other towel. And with this portable bag, take it anywhere you want. Join the campaign to enjoy your bath experience every day.